Get ready to discover a hidden treasure in your favorite tropical fruit. In today's video, we unveil the astonishing health benefits of mango seeds. Prepare to be amazed. Did you know that mango seeds, often discarded, are actually packed with incredible health benefits? It's time to embrace the full potential of this tropical delight. Number 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Mango seeds are rich in antioxidants that protect your body against free radicals and help prevent oxidative stress. Number 2. Digestive aid. These seeds contain high levels of fiber, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. But wait, there's more. Mango seeds also boast antimicrobial properties, can support healthy cholesterol levels, and even contribute to glowing skin. So, the next time you enjoy a juicy mango, don't forget about its valuable seed. Discover the power of mango seeds.